It began with a blinding flash in the sky. A drone, silent and unseen, cut through the night. Moments later, chaos. Russia's strategic bomber base, once a fortress, now in flames. But this wasn't just an attack. It was a message, a warning, and a spark. The world stood still, because what happened next could ignite a global firestorm. This isn't just Russia versus Ukraine anymore. NATO is watching. The West is preparing. And the world? Teetering on the edge of World War III. This isn't their first war. Decades of tension between Russia and the West set the stage. From the Cold War standoffs to the invasion of Crimea in 2014, to proxy wars and cyber attacks, every battle was a chapter in a bigger war. One of influence, power, and survival. And when Ukraine leaned west, choosing NATO and the EU, Russia saw red. What we're seeing now, it's not new. It's history. On repeat, only deadlier. In a shocking counteroffensive, Ukrainian drones struck deep inside Russian territory, targeting the Engels Air Base, home to Russia's strategic bombers. These bombers were the backbone of Russia's long-range nuclear capability. Destroyed. Moscow's response? A chilling threat. Talks of activating hypersonic missile systems. Bekinso, the avant-garde. Missiles that travel at 10x the speed of sound and can evade all known defense systems. This isn't war as we knew it. This is 21st century warfare, and it's terrifyingly fast. The world is holding its breath. NATO has called emergency meetings. Cybersecurity alerts have been raised to maximum. Stock markets tumble. Russia warns of direct consequences if NATO intervenes. And then, silence. The kind before a storm. Will NATO strike back? Will Russia escalate? One miscalculation now could unleash something the world hasn't seen in 80 years. Already, the war is bleeding into Europe. Russian missiles have strayed near Poland. Troops are massing in Belarus. Finland closes borders. US carrier strike groups are repositioning in the Mediterranean. China is watching. North Korea is threatening. Iran is maneuvering. This is no longer regional. This is global. One chain reaction, and the world could fall into its deadliest conflict ever, World War III. War is not just tanks and missiles. It's people, families, futures. The decisions made today will define the world tomorrow. And the question is, are we ready for what's coming next?